Ngibatshelile abantu, ngibatshelile mina ngokwami. Bafana Bafana ngiyayithemba, kodwa umuntu engimsabayo uyi-one. Umuntu engimsabayo uHugo Bros. Bafana Bafana ngiyayithemba, I'm backing iBafana Bafana kule World Cup. Kodwa umuntu oyi-one uyena omosha yonke lento le. Yes, usithathile wasibeka kuyona le World Cup le. Kodwa abadlali abafakayo ibona abadlali laba bavele bamosha yonke lento le. Yabo, those players bayazazi bona lawo badlali abangafunwa kulesa squad lesiya. Bayazazi and namhlanje they proved why ama-fans ehleze against lawo badlali. Those players, you see today, they proved. Those players did the same with AFCON. Remember the AFCON le Morocco. Those players did the same thing. And today they proved themselves against the global stage, against the whole world watching them. The biggest enemy is inside that camp. The biggest enemy is the person who selects the players to play against iBafana. Those players that are selected, they are playing against iBafana. They are not playing for iBafana. They are playing against us. But I'm not saying anything. Don't say Vane said this, Vane said that. But some of the players who are getting selected to represent South Africa, they are playing against us. I've never seen something like this. I've never seen... Awusingiyolala ngiyavuka kusasa.